Good morning, friends. Myself Alpesh sir from one of the well-known institutes, Arihant Coaching. And friends, are you enjoying the constructions through my videos? I hope you feel the construction very easy, and it is one of the easiest part of our syllabus. And keep practicing. Concentrate here. I am with the new question of 11.2, and it is question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degree. Friends, it is a little bit new type of circle and new construction. For that, you have to remember that as we know, it is a circle and these two are the tangents. In question, we are given this is 60 degree. How can we construct here 60 degree? Friends, for that you have to remind the circle chapter of class 9, and in class 9 we had learnt the cyclic quadrilateral. Do you know the meaning of cyclic quadrilateral, friends? Try to remind beta. Yes, the quadrilateral whose all vertices are on the same circle is called cyclic quadrilateral, and the property of cyclic quadrilateral is the opposite angles are supplementary. We have to catch that sentence that opposite angles are supplementary. So here we can say it is perpendicular. As we know, these two are perpendicular, so sum of these two angle 90 degree. It means this quadrilateral OMPN is a cyclic quadrilateral because it is 90, it is 90, 90, 90, 180. So sum of opposite angles is 180. So we can say that quadrilateral OMPN is a cyclic. It means the sum of opposite side must be 180. So it is 60, it must be 120. So friends, we have to take this logic that between two radii we have to make angle 120 degree. Is it clear? So this theory must be kept in your mind. I hope you understand this theory. Now we will draw the circle, and according to this instruction we will construct a tangent. So I hope friends you understand this theory. So I will erase it and construct the mean tangent according to the given instruction. According to given instruction, first we have to draw a circle with radius 5 centimeter. Friends, it is the radius of 5 centimeter. So I have drawn a circle with 5 centimeter radius. It is a 5 centimeter radius circle, and then we have to draw the tangents according to given instruction. So first I have to construct the circle with radius 5 centimeter. Friends, you can see it is the circle with radius 5 centimeter. Now this circle has center, we can say it is O. The center is O. We can say its center is O. So I will give the name to the center. It is O. Now from O we have to draw two radii in such a way that they form angle 120 degree. So first, anywhere I have to construct a radius. I will select these 2 points. It is O and A is one radius. Then another radius we should construct in such a way that between other radius and this radius it will form 120 degree angle. Now we have to construct 120 degree angle. So by taking random measurement with the compass, any measurement, it is not fixed. Any measurement we have to keep the pin on center and construct an arc with random measurement. You can see it is an arc with random measurement. Now by taking the same measurement we have to cut first arc, it is 60 degree, second arc it is 120 degree. Where both the arcs meet, we should give the name here any. Here I will give name, suppose C. Now we have to join O and C. So here I have joined O and C. These OC intersect the circle at B. So OB and OA, between them it is 120 degree angle. Now friends, what should we do? We have to construct 90 degree from B, 90 degree from A. So these two 90 degree line will be the tangents, and between them it will form 60 degree angle. So here I will construct 90 degree angle from A and from B. See, by taking random measurement, this measurement is not fixed. From A I will take a random measurement and construct an arc. This is an arc from A and it is random measurement. It is random measurement. With the same measurement we have to construct an arc from B. It is a random measurement. Measurement is not fixed. We have to construct an arc from A and B, and by taking the same measurement, it is first 60 degree, this is second 60, and we have to make half of this, so it will be extended like this, and from here this arc must be intersected. With the same way we have to get one arc from here, another arc from here. It should be extended like this, and by intersecting point we should get another intersection. Where both the arcs intersect, we have to draw the tangents. It will be, we can say, x and y. So P, BX and AY we have to join. It will be the required tangents. So here we will draw tangents. It is BX line and another it is AY line. Another is AY line. Where both the tangents meet, we can measure with the compass. This angle must be 60 degree. So this is our required construction. I hope everybody understand this construction according to the necessity. Now here I will write down the points. Here I am writing points. First, draw the circle with radius 5 centimeter, having center O. Number 2, draw a radius OA. Number 3, draw another radius OB in such a way that angle BOA is equal to 120 degree. Number 4, construct 90 degree angle from A and B in such a way that rays BZ and AZ meet at Z. Hence, lines BZ and AZ are required lines. I hope friends you understand this construction. You should repeat the video and enjoy the construction according to its sense. I will just come with the new construction. Till then, enjoy it and goodbye.